YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Pub for our latest vlog will be all about Awit Awards winner for Best Christmas Recording plus New Music Friday. But subscribe na to our YouTube channel at sa mga social media ka. Gusto mag-like, shares, comments, and views. Aabutin na ng 500 subscribers. Support na natin yan for our latest vlog. 240 episode 240 entitled Awit Awards Best Christmas Recording Winners. Here's your vlog! Ayan, panoorin natin ang iyong highlights. Okay, last week, nananayan natin ang CMMA Best Station ID. Ito naman, Best Christmas Recording naman for Awit Awards 2020. 6 finalists stood up to be part of the new winner of the Awit Awards 2020 Best Christmas Recording are SB19, Christmas Party, of Sony Music Entertainment, Tayo Niligay na Salita by Artist from ABS-CBN Music, Pasko sa ating Debonair District, Liwanag ng Pasko sa Music Artist, Merry Christmas Ipag-Black Kita by Scott Smile, and syempre, pinaka-Pasko Peter Band. Ako, my favorite top 3 are top 1 is Liwanag ng Pasko by Blink Music Artist, especially my fan favorite Pau Chavez, then Shelly Mateo, Mika de Rosario, Mike, at marami pang Blink Music Artist. My top 2 is Tayo ang Ligayo ng Salita, kung saan si Sarah Geronimo, Gary Machado, Jet Manila, at Riquitos, at Eric Santos, at yung mga graduated na idol music na si Kiko Kumasay. And top 3 is Christmas Party by SB19. Especially sa mga SB19 members si Pablo, si Stem, si Sean, si Felix, or Ken, at si Chan. Eto na! Ano natin kung sino mananalo? Best Recording. Ano to? Christmas Recording. Panoorin natin.
Best Christmas Recording. Pasko sa atin, Debonair District. Executive Producer, Debonair District. Record Producer, Debonair District. Composer, Antonio Maria Cayabyab. Record label, Warner Music Philippines.
At masisira pa ang diet mo. Anong pake ko? Minsan lang sa isang taon ito pagkain pa ni Lola. Pasko na.
Okay, last week kahit bigo ang iba ang Pasko pasama sa for Best Station ID sa CMMA. Ito, Awit Awards. Naku, bigo na naman! Paulit-ulit! Paulit-ulit! Natalo na naman yung team ni na Pau Chavez, Jelly Mateo, at iba pang Blink Music Artist para sa kantang Liwanag ng Kasa. But congratulations pa rin sa Blink Music Records for having each other to give a support on the finalists for Best Christmas Recording sa Awit Awards. And especially